game. Going to the third quarter. Let's go. Oh no. Santo Tomas with the rebound. Nakarga over. Yanni kick out. Chua. Oh, 3 seconds violation. Number 24, kick out. Bam! At nakasagot na nga rin ang San Beda. Yanni, no. Offensive rebound, Riley gets a foul. Shooting for two, Yanni. Riley Yu. First shot is good. Second shot, no. Oh, still. Wala. Number 24. May foul. Still. That's a foul. Number 24 shooting for two. Pacific, no. Pass the corner, jump shot, no good. Rebound by Riley. Oh. Gets a foul. Yanni. Pass to Santo Tomas. Hook shot, no. Riley. Wala. Offensive rebound. Makuha rito ng San Beda. Oh, Steal by Abdul. Abdul nagmamadali. Derecho. Too strong. Rebound ng San Beda. Number 24. Side step. Pinagay sa corner. Kanya shoot. No. Rebound. Riley gets the foul. Second shot out on the free throw area. Riley, you. Basket. Second shot is good. Number 8, 4-3, no good. Santo Tomas, no. Rebound, Abdul, no good. Steal ng San Beda. Ayan na, derecho at nakalusot. Let's go, Xavier. Yani, pass to Cheng. Cheng to Yani. Running shot, no. Santo Tomas, no. Riley, wala pa rin. Rebound by Santo Tomas, bounce pass. Riley, no. Isa pa at na-pass ka nga. 35-41. Baba sa 6 ang kalamangan ng San Beda. Number 8. Oopsie. Running shot at nakalusot si number 8. 43-35. Abdul. Offensive foul. Backcourt violation. Cheng, jump shot. Basket para kay Cheng. Number 55. 37-43. Oh, steal by Yani. Yani nagpamadali. For an extra pass. Cheng, basket. Basket para kay Cheng and nice assist para kay Yani. Time out dito ang San Beda. Time remaining 3 minutes and 33 seconds. 43-39. Labas sa 4 ang inahabol ng ating Xavier. bogey. Offensive foul. Wala rito ng Xavier. D. Pass to Cheng. Cadwell. Wow, Cheng is in the house. Shout out po sa pamilya Cheng. Napaka-sportive. Uy! Yun lang. What a nice smart move para kay number 24. That is Sagon. Bad pass. D pass to Abdul. Abdul running shot. No. Riley. No. Rebound ng San Beda. Crossover. Gets a foul. Sagan shooting for 2. Or San Beda. Riley. At nakalusot si Riley doon. Nabasa isang lamang ng San Beda. Number 24. Kick out. 4-3. Wala. Rebound. Oh, steal. Steal by number 28. Fake. Tumira at naipasok. Balik sa tatlong lamang ng San Beda. Oh, double dribble. Number 8. Running shot. No good. Rebound by number 8. Backdoor pass. Fake. Step back 3. Short. Rebound. Oh. Offensive foul. Tayo ha. Kim, sidestep. At nakalusot si Kim. Mabahuli sa isa. Number 8. Pinasa corner. Fake. Number 8 na bitawan. Same ball. Gets the 3. three. Oy! Nakasagot doon ang San Beda. Abdul. Bounce pass. Gets the foul. First shot is good. 48 all. Two, one. And that's the end of our third quarter. Alright, tayo daw na sa ating fourth and last quarter. Nakadal ng ating team. Shoutout po kay Coach Howie Chang is watching. Magandang hapon po, Coach. Coach Howie Chang. Alright, tayo dadako na sa ating fourth and last quarter. Tabla ulit tayo sa 43. Fourth quarter, let's go. Oy, traveling violation. Pass. Oh. Bad. Agawan. Mark over. Number 24, crossover. Pass to number 34. To number 8, 4-3. No. Rebound by Abdul. Abdul to Yani. Yani. Yani, floater, wala. Running shot, no good. Rebound. Makuha ni Yani. Gets the foul. Same ball tayo. Xavier School Basketball. 8 minutes and 10 seconds. Yani. Pass to. Back to Yani. To Kim. Jump shot, no good. Rebound. Abdul. Too strong. Wala pa rin. Ay na, nagagawa ni Santo Tomas. Ay, wala pa rin. Ay na, makakuha ni Villa. Riley, wala pa rin. Rebound. San Beda. Number 8, sidestep. Wala. Rebound by Santo Tomas. Oh, wala tawag. Ate referee. Master Riley. Yani. Yani. Back to Santo Tomas. Bounce pass. Riley. No. Rebound. Oh. It's a foul. Number 20. Abdul. Substitution. Kim coming in for Villa. Number 21, no, rebound by Abdul. Abdul to Riley. Boy. Riley kick out. Kim for 3, no, rebound. Oh, that's a foul. Penalty? Ah, wala pa. Abdul. Oy, back pass. San Beda Basketball. Time remaining 6 minutes and 21 seconds. Number 34, pass number 24. Pinagay sa corner, 4-3. Wala, rebound. Ay na, bad pass, still. Crossover. Number 24, binigay. Oh. That's a traveling violation. 5 minutes and 47 seconds. Xavier School Basketball. Abdul running shot, no. Same ball. Kim for 2, no? Abdul, floater, wala pa rin. Rebound na San Beda. Ayun na. Tumatakbo si number 24. Oh! Basket para kay number 24. Balik ang halamangan sa San Beda. Santo Tomas to Yani. Pass to Kim. Jump shot. Down! All 50. Tikitan lang ang laban. Ayun na. Pinasa. Number 13, binigay sa corner. 4-3. Wala. Abdul, save by Yani. Yani. Pass to Santo Tomas. Pinagay. Aina. Dexon. Napalakas. Ang tira doon. Sayang. Munti ka na. Okay lang yan. Bawi. San Beda basketball. Number 24 still. Kim, derecho all the way para kay Kim. Balik ang Kalamangan sa Xavier. 52-50. Ayun na sa number 24. Pass to number 34 from elbow 3. Wala. Rebound. Oh! Santo Tomas gets the foul. Papalakpak rito. Sila mami at daddy. Ayun na. Santo Tomas. For inbound. Pass to Yani. Yani may tatawid. Pass to Kim. 4-3. Short, Masibaoy! Almost! Good hustle play para kay Texon. Pero nakita na outside. Time remaining, 3 minutes and 8 seconds. Bola ng San Beda. Setting on the play. Number 24. Tumira at nakalusot si number 24. Tabla ulit tayo. Sub 52. Kim. Crossover. Kim. Uy, block by number 21. Ay na ang San Beda. Oh, steal by Riley. Pass to Kim. Ay na, 3 against 2. Kim. Oh! That's a problem. Bola rito ng San Beda. Ayan na. Number 24. Stop and pop. No good. Rebound by Abdul. Abdul. Pass to si Yani. Yani to Kim. 4-3. No good. Rebound. Santo Tomas to Abdul. Bang! 54-52. Balik ang Kalamangan sa dalawa. Ang Xavier, step back 3. Wala. Rebound. Makuha ni Yani. Ayan na. Kim all the way. Yes, sir! Time out. San Beda. Tuwan-tuwa ang ating mga mommies and daddies para sa ating team. Tignan natin ang huddle ng Xavier. With the time remaining 1 minute and 36 seconds. Back to the ball game. With the time remaining 1 minute and 36 seconds. 4-point lead para sa Xavier. Abdul. Number 28, pinasa corner. Tumira sa 3. Oh! What a dragger 3. Baba sa isang lamang ng Xavier. Riley. Pass to Santo Tomas. To Abdul. Abdul! At nakasagot ang Xavier doon. Balik sa tatlo ang lamang ng home team. Number 28. Pinasa ulit sa corner. Number 24. Ayun na. Pinigay. 10 seconds to shoot. Pinasa. Number 24. Atake. Binigay. Number 21. Oh! Muntikan pa. In and out. Pero may foul ang itinawag ang ating referee. Kelshon in the line. A crucial free throw para kay number 21. Tingnan natin kung may papasok to. First shot. Wala. Second shot para kay number 21. Let's go. Oh! Dalawa. Babasa dalawa ang lamang. Santo Tomas. Pinigay kay Yani. Yani to Riley. May tatawid kaya? Nakitawid ni Abdul. Abdul, attacking the basket. Wala. Rebound. Makuha ni Abdul. Pass to Yani. Waiting for his teammate. Sergio on the screen. Yani! Boy! Abdul with a putback! Wow! Time out. Saan mo? Beda. Grabe yun. Paabang-abang lang si Abdul. Time remaining, last 31 seconds. 60, 56. Ayan na. Oh my. Malapit na tayo sa dulo. Last 31 seconds. Tingnan natin ang handle ng San Beda. Number 28 ang mag-i-inbound. Sino tatanggap? Anong gagawin play ng San Beda? Binigay sa corner. Ayan na. Umatake. Kick out. Number 24. 4-3. Oh! Ulala! Naipasok ni number 24. Isagon. Dagger 3. Baba sa isang lamang ng Xavier. Last 24 seconds. Di pa daw tapos ang laban, sabi ni Isagon. Tingnan natin ang huddle ng ating team. Grabe. Houston Douglas. Para kay Isagon. Alright. 24.7 seconds remaining para sa ating fourth and last quarter. Lamang tayo ng isa, 60-59. Alright, let's go! Dito na tayo sa pinaka-exciting at mas lalong pinaka-exciting pa. Santo Tomas, tingnan natin kung anong gagawing play ng ating team ng Xavier. Ayun na, let's go! Santo Tomas, setting on, pinigay. Kim. Stop and pump, no good, rebound, Abdul, wala. Offensive rebound para kay Abdul and gets a foul. Oh, masusubukan si Abdul sa free throw. Wala pa daw. 14 foul pa lang po, wala pa tayong penalty. 17 seconds. Sino mag-inbound? Santo Tomas. Kanino ibibigay? Kay Abdul. Abdul, napitawan! Naku po, ayan na! Tumatakbo ang San Beda. Number 8, blocked by Abdul! Ay! Nanakaw play! Wala! Rebound by Riley! Matikan pa! Anong tawag ng ating referee doon? And gets a foul! Riley Yu masusubukan sa free throw area. Last 5 seconds remaining. Riley Yu. Ayun na. First shot. Oh! Wala! Tingnan natin, shoutout kay Sir Hefner Yu. Ang kanyang napaka-supportive na parents. Ayan, sa kanyang dalawang anak na si Riley. Ayan na. Kaylee. Tingnan natin kung makakabawi si Riley. Let's go! Ayan na. Riley. Take a shot. Oy! Wala! Rebound! Abdul! Ilabas! Oh! Abdul! Save the game! Grabe yun! Wow, what a nice, intense game from both team. Abdul gets a rebound. Ay, congratulations po. Hey! First win this season. Nakabawi. Muntikan pa. Alright, congratulations to our Xavier School 2013 and a nice game para sa San Beda University. Alright, our final score 60-59. Panalo po ang ating team. Alright, magkita-kita po tayo para sa ating next live hanggang sa muli. Sir, matigan. Matigan.